Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna learn how to download the Vistara Airlines app on your smartphone. Vistara is an Indian full-service airline, so whether you are a frequent flyer or planning for your next trip, having the Vistara Airlines app on your phone comes very handy to manage your travels. So we're gonna look through how to download its app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure it is connected to the internet, and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type Vistara Airlines and search for it. You'll see the Vistara Airlines app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here I can see Vistara, India's best airline app, which is developed by Tata SIA. So this is the official app. You can even check with the logo. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you will find an install button if you're using an Android device, or a get button if you're using an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on open, tap on accept. You can select your country and language from here. From here, if you already have an account, you can sign in using your credentials. If not, you can sign up for a new account by clicking on register. Or you can simply continue as a guest. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the Vistara Airlines app on your phone. Now take some time to explore its features by logging in. You can book flights, manage your bookings, check in online, and even access exclusive offers. So happy travels! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.